Okay, example 3. Verify this identity. And again, looking at structure, that hopefully was going to give you clues as to how to do this. I'm seeing sums and differences over here, and I see a product over here. So sum to product identity or product to sum identity. All the sum to product identities and product to sum identities all go from sine to cosine, or sine to sine, cosine to cosine. So it looks like this side over here has more possibilities, where this I'd have to do some modification to get to a point where I'd feel comfortable using those identities. So I'll probably start left-hand side here. So I've got sine of 6x plus sine of 2x over sine of 6x minus sine of 2x. And that's the left-hand side. So we'll start there. Okay. I'm noticing on top of sum, on the bottom a difference, and I'm trying to get a product, so sum to product identities are in my head. 43b through 46. 43b says sine of x plus y, 44 says sine of x minus sine of y, right? So sine of x plus sine of x on top, sine of x minus sine of x on the bottom. So 43b and 44 will be the ones we want to use. And again, I'm not 100% familiar with these, so I'm going to look them up. So if I'm taking the top, and let me do these in different colors here. So the top here, by 43b, it says that I'm going to get 2 times the cosine of x minus y. So this is x, this is y. So x minus y over 2. And then it's going to be sine of x plus y . On the bottom, I'm going with number 44, and that tells me that sine of x minus sine of y, that tells me 2 cosine of x plus y, that's 6x plus 2x over 2, sine of x minus y over 2, so that's 6x minus 2x over 2. So again, when you're looking at these structures, the first one's x, the second one's y. The first one's x, the second one's y. Alright, and again, that's just 43b and 44. That's our sum to product identities. I'll go one more step, then I'll bring it over here. So, if I combine like terms, all that good stuff, some simplifying, 6x plus 2x is 4x over 2 is 2x. So I get 2 cosine of 2x. And then 6x plus 2x is 8x over 2 is 4x, so I get sine of 4x. On the bottom I get 2 cosine of, that's 8x over 2, so that's 4x. And sine of 4x over 2, that's sine of 2x. And that's just by simplifying. Alright. And then I'm going to just do some rearranging and some canceling. So I'm going to cancel the 2's, and I'm going to rearrange. So I want the 4x in front, 2x in the back, so I'm just going to swap the terms on the top. So I'm going to call it sine of 4x cosine of 2x over cosine of 4x sine of 2x. And that's just, I'm going to say canceled. If you want to get really technical, I also use the commutative property of multiplication. I'm not going to get that technical. If you want to rearrange things legally, that's fine. I'll believe you know that's allowed. All right. And what I want you to recognize here is that we have sine of 4x over cosine of 4x. That's tangent of 4x. Cosine over sine of 2x is going to be cotangent of 2x, what we're trying to get to, right? So tangent of 4x, cotangent of 2x. And that is by numbers 1 and 2. So the identities you're going to get in this section are going to be of that family. They're going to be in the sum to difference, sum to product or product to sum identities in the back. Every one of these ones you're going to get tonight is going to have those happen within there, but still, like 1 through 40 are still alive and well if they happen to show up. Just know that these 41 through 46 with the 43A and B, because I didn't number it properly, those will be on there too. So just be aware that expect those structures to show up, and be looking for those when you're doing the identities. And again, if you're just trying to rewrite it, of course, just rewrite it, but if you're verifying, if it says verify, make sure you give me a reason why you did each step.